Hello friends and welcome back to my studio. It's been a while since I've done a swipe, and after a couple of failed experiments earlier this week, I decided I really just needed a reset, decided to go back to my roots, and swipes were the very first thing I did as a fluid artist. So yeah, let's just get down to the table and get right to it today. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, here we are with our colors. From Golden's Paint, I have Prussian Blue. I have Payne's Gray with just a drop of white in it to make it a little less dark. And then I have Iridescent Silver. From Modern Masters, I have Venetian Blue, beautiful sparkly blue, and Sapphire Blue, nice earthy sparkly blue. And then from Rust-Oleum, I have Harbor Sky. Not quite catching the shimmer on the camera, but this is a really pretty shimmery blue also. For my base coat, I have a jug of Rust-Oleum seashell that I mixed up. This just makes it easier for me to pour. And then I have a bunch of paper towels that are already cut up. And then this is my cell activator, which is Amsterdam pouring medium and Amsterdam, I think titanium white, one of their whites. Anyway, okay, here we are. So to start off here, when I'm doing my swipes, I really like to do an uneven line here. And the reason being is that way when I'm doing the swipe itself, I don't get the same exact colors in each swipe. It picks up a little of this and a little of that. And I think that gives it more variation and makes it a little more interesting to me. And then the other thing you'll see me do is I like to kind of throw some splatters down. And that's for the same reason, is when I'm pulling my paper towel through those blobs, it picks up a little more here and there. And again, just adds a little more interest and uniqueness to the piece. Quick little wet walkthrough. This has turned out just beautiful. And I love how elongated these and almost web-like looking the center got. Yeah, I am really happy with this. I think this is going to dry gorgeously. And then over here, this one, I'm gonna wait to see how this dries. I love the edges and I like the composition. I think the center might have gotten a little bit muddy, but like I said, let's see how this dries. It might be something that I can fix after it's dry. Really fun. Can't wait to show you the dry results. Okay, here we are with the dry results. I am really happy with this. I think it dried just gorgeously. Those colors really pop. And I think this is a great example too of why I use the pouring medium I do. It leaves just such a lovely sheen. I do not have to varnish these if I don't want to. And then this one, I'm still not 100% sure about this one. I like it, not sure I love it. The only thing I don't really love is the center point, but I think I'm gonna hold on to it, not do anything right away, and make my mind up later. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And I hope you have a wonderful day.